Welcome to another video of data structure. This question was asked in July 2022 for 5 marks. Write an algorithm for evaluating postfix expression and implement it on following expression. Expression is given with values. So in this video, let's solve postfix expression. First step in the solution is first element is operand, that is A. Push A onto stack. So we have to draw stack this way and put A into the stack this way. So we have push A. Next step is second. In step 2, second element is operand B, push onto the stack. Again, the second element is operand. Again, draw a stack and push it onto the stack. First is A, second is B. In the step 3, the third element is operator, that is plus. As you can see, plus. Pop two elements from stack, that is A and B, and then evaluate the expression. So we'll draw the stack. The stack in the step 2 will pop B, then stack B looks like this. Then we'll pop A and the stack is empty. Next step is evaluating A plus B, that is 5 plus 4 equals to 9. In step 4, push the result onto the stack, that is 9 result. We'll draw a stack and push it onto the stack. In step 5, next element is operand. As you can see, next element is operand, that is C. Push onto the stack. So in the stack 9 is there, we'll push C. In step 6, next element is operand, that is D. As you can see, it is D. Push onto the stack. So first is 9, then C, then D. Stack looks like this. In step 7, next element is operator, that is minus. As you can see it in the expression, that is minus. Pop two elements from stack, that is C and D, and then evaluate the expression. So this is our stack. We'll pop D, it will look like this. Then we'll pop C, it will look like this. So this is our stack. So after popping C and D, we'll evaluate the values of C and D. C is 6, D is 2. So these values are given. As you can see, values of C and D are given. So we'll evaluate 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Next, in the step 8, push the result onto the stack. So in the stack, last value was 9 and we evaluated last value 4. So we'll put both the values onto the stack. In step 9, next element, that is operator, we have multiplication operator, as you can see in this expression. Multiplication operator. Pop two elements from stack and then evaluate. So we have 9 and 4 in the stack. We'll pop 4. Then stack looks like this. Then we'll pop 9 and lastly the stack will be empty. Now we'll evaluate this two operand. 4 multiplied by 9, after evaluation the value is 36. End of expression, therefore result is 36 of this question. So final answer of the question is 36. So for this question, write algorithm. After that, solve the expression. That's all for this video. Hit the red subscribe button, like, share, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.